I'm trying to get this together. I want to go live on my other page. So hold on. I'm trying to connect them. I think they didn't caught on to what I'm trying to do. Showing it live. Connecting. I think it would do it while. What did you do? Bring them on. I did. Connecting. Come on, shit. You already said that in the... What is going on? Okay. It won't let me be great. That's all right. I fixed it. Okay. Let's do it this way. Good evening. We about to make this Starbucks drink because they don't make it anymore. And I'm tired of asking them to make this and they do it wrong. Because they keep putting coffee in it. I don't want coffee in it. So let's show the ingredients. We got ice. Just all of it. We got the caramel. I got this at TJ Maxx for $8.99. What is this called? Vanilla. Y'all see it. This was at a grocery store for $6.99. And I have this one. I got this from Target, $6.29, I believe. And we have Hershey's. So let's get started. I feel like, oh, hold on. Cup of ice and heavy whipping cream. So let's do it. Are you gonna help me make it? Bro! Rosie! Yeah? You gonna help me make it? Now she asked to help make it, now she won't help. Let's do this. I'm not waiting on her. All right, let me turn you around. Oh my God. This dragon keeps on following me. I'm going everywhere I go. I know. Dude, what is that? What's that? Why is the deer? Why is there a deer on the You got a cup? Yes, bro. And I'm gonna double it so I can make more. Do a little bit more. Boy, these kids, some of they ask to help and then they don't want to help. We lactose intolerant over here, so we have to do like. This way it's gonna mess us up. Do heavy whipping cream so it can keep the thickness of the drink. A half a cup. That in there. Do it. of milk. A cup of milk. And do a little bit splash more. All right, let's get into the good stuff. Oh, no, oh, sorry, y'all. I got to open everything up. This is my first time doing it. Really eyeing it. The vanilla tastes good. Well, it smells good. So we're going to do just a splash of vanilla. Splash. Splash. You know how we do. And, well, I know I forgot something. The chocolate chips. I bought that too. Now, I couldn't find the chocolate syrup in the other one, so I'm just going to use this. I'm going to use this chocolate to put in there, and I'm going to use the Hershey to glaze the cup. Put that in there. And I'll put that in there. My house really likes chocolate. Then we have to get the chocolate chip cookies. I think I'm just do a cup of chocolate chip. Got a cup of chocolate chip. All right, let's get this stuff rocking and rolling. It's just a little dessert for dinner. I was supposed to have my little helper, but she bagged out because she on the game. But that's all right. We're going to get her reaction. All right, let's go. Now, when I was researching it, they didn't really say what to put it on. And I'm using my Ninja for it. And I'm going to put it on mute. It's going to be too crazy. Let's do frozen drink. Let's mute it. Here we go. We're going to blend it. I'm going to do the frozen drink, and this is on my Ninja. So it's a little milky. I'm going to put some more ice in it. I want it to be a little bit more thicker. So let's see. I think I'm going to do ice cream because it's runny. do ice cream. So I'm gonna do ice cream this time and see how it does. Let's all right, let's see what it do. Okay, let's get these cups. So now we're gonna work with this. And got the whipped cream. Extra creamy. I should have opened all this up before I came on, but that's okay. Y'all hanging with me this evening. Oh, I am making a mess. A mess. I have a little assistant in here. Baby, they got this stuff still. Come on, let me go in here. I'm gonna line mine with caramel, just a little bit. These the cups I got. I want the ones with the lids on it, but they'll be okay. Do this. Get the whipped cream. Shake it up. So I'm gonna line the cup with the Hershey's. I'm gonna coat the sides. Okay, we're literally right below. We're literally right below. Then I'm gonna pour it in here. Oh yeah, we got action. Oh, this might be good. We'll give her a little bit. See? You got the nice consistency. And then we're gonna load it up with the whipping cream. Wow, where are you? Oh, that's so cute. Wow, wait up for eyes. That is nice. All right. We might have Thanksgiving dessert right here. And I'm gonna drizzle it on the top. Oh, watch out now. Oh, we got something right there. Jay! Come here! Rosie! Yeah? Come here! What? It's done. Come here. Ask me to make you something. This is her favorite straw. Come on, taste it.
Oh, that's so cute.
Taste. Shut. You need a bigger straw.
It's not going good.
Get a bigger straw. I'm sorry. Here,
Drink it.
here. Shut up. It tastes like it? It tastes just like it?
Yeah.
Okay. I know that's your favorite straw, but
Yeah, I think it's stuff.
yeah, that's okay. So that's good?
Lord have mercy.
How many out of 10?
100.
Oh, it tastes like Starbucks? Well, there you got it, folks. Okay, save me a whole lot of money. Okay. Here, get your little cup so you taste it.
You know that wasn't my drink.
Chad is good. She put caramel in hers. I did ice cream. The ice cream was better than the frozen drink. You only getting a little splash, okay? This $10 a cup, okay? Since you said this wasn't your favorite. Give me a cup. Oh, it's kind of heavy on the cream, ain't it?
I'm already cold. You give me some cold drink. Please. This one.
And I want the caramel. So I'm going to do caramel in this. Making a mess, making a mess. So I did chocolate and caramel. I see I done messed up. Now she gonna be asking me to make this all the time. Oh, not that you sprayed it with. And you try the chocolate. Top. And there we go. Mama's Starbucks. All right, thanks for watching. Share, follow Mom Life in Chaos for more content. Get us up to 100. Thank you. Have a good night. Talk to you later. Bye.